Dancehall is a popular genre of music in Jamaica. The dancing associated with dancehall came about when they wanted to help stage performances have more energy. Welcome to Jamaican Things, and today we'll be counting down the 10 best dancehall dances of all time. Before we take you on a trip down memory lane, we want to say special thanks to these subscribers for their uplifting comments. Number 10. The Butterfly. The butterfly was the most popular dance in 1992. The butterfly dance is a dance move in which the dancer's legs move like butterfly wings. The move became popular thanks to Carlene Smith, the first Jamaican dancehall queen, and the song Butterfly by Baron Lee and the Dragonaires. This dance move is safe, fun, sexy, and best of all, easy to do no matter what your age. Number 9. Badman Forward. Playing the role of choreographer and artist, Ding Dong gave dancehall its answer to getting crunk. This dance is made specifically for the male partygoers, but women do it too. The dance involves a lot of aggressive skipping and knee lifting. Number 8. No Behavior. This dance, crafted by Overmars, outlines the basics of steps similar to another dance, Nolinga. Swing your hand across your body, then move your shoulder, then step forward and start No Behavior. Step 2 times, lean back, then twist. No Behavior is a fun dance filled with attitude. Number 7. Skip to Malou. Ding Dong continued his dance floor domination by popularizing this step with an assist from Serrani. Number 6. Gully Creeper. Devised by the late Ice, championed by Elephant Man, and immortalized by Usain Bolt, the Gully Creeper imagines the movements of a devious figure creeping his way through one of Kingston's treacherous gullies. Number 5. Take away yourself. Take away yourself means take away yourself. Don't stay here or go somewhere else. Though it can be done numerous ways, take away yourself involves tapping one's left then right heel and slightly bouncing in the air as you rebound. Number 4. Wacky Dip. Mr. Wacky is gone, but his dancing lives on. The phrase popularized in this song by Voicemail. The dance Wacky Dip, invented by the late Gerald Bogle Levy, also known as Mr. Wacky, is one of the best dance moves of the 2000s. Number 3. Willie Bounce. Elephant Man's 2005 Bogle tribute, Willie Bounce, exhorted dancers through two of Wacky's signature moves in a single interrelated sequence. We can't put it any better than Ellie himself. Alright, swing your hand them, go on like your bad, then you double out and bad. Number 2. Signal the Plane. In the early 2000s, Elephant Man has contributed a new wave of dancing with his music and has generated a unified spirit in dancehall. Dancing is truly Jamaican and something that brings much enjoyment. This dance is fun and easy to do, which is why it took the number 2 spot on our list. Number 1. Pon de River. Done by leaning back, then kicking your foot forward while bringing the opposite hand in. This dance is generally followed in sequence by down the flank. Pon de River is easy to do and thus takes the top spot on our list because it's just impossible to resist dancing when this song starts playing.